Are you listening? Damn.
Get that mute off. What's up, everybody? JoJo Crypto Live here on a Tuesday in the Midwest. Rocking my former Wish TV News 8 gear. I'm a former TV reporter. I was an award-winning journalist and traveled around the country for years telling stories and interviewing people, which is why I do what I do here. I want to give you the tools that you need to make the good decisions, just like I did as a journalist. And the best way to do that is to interview people and obviously give you quick tips and the links so that you can go out and do this. This stream is brought to you by White Glove Web3.com. They're a full-service NFT agency. If you want to bring NFTs into the real world for your business, or you're an artist and you have a project and you want to do it, give us a call. We'd be happy to do it. So, WhiteGloveWeb3.com. As always, like, follow, subscribe, and share. JoJo Crypto Live. At Joe Melillo Live is my Twitter, and you can go to jojocrypto.live to go right to the website. So today, the theme is, actually, I forget the theme. What was it? Oh, yeah, what is a smart contract? I feel like this is really important for beginners because if you don't know what a smart contract is, and it is something that I'm getting a lot of questions about, especially with White Glove Web 3, it's important to understand what that means. So, and I'm going to do something different today. I got some music playing today. I feel like I need it. It's too quiet sometimes. So I'm going to just let that play in the background. It's royalty-free music. But so here's the deal. Smart contracts are I'm just going to explain what they are very simply. I took some notes from and I'll put the link where I took most of the notes from. But smart contract, by definition, a smart contract, like any contract, establishes the terms of the agreement. But unlike traditional contracts, a smart contract's terms are executed as code running on the blockchain, like Ethereum. Smart contracts allow developers to build apps and take advantage of blockchain security, reliability, and accessibility while offering sophisticated peer-to-peer functionality, everything from loans and insurance to logistics and gaming. Huge opportunity for everybody. I always say huge because it is huge opportunity. They're really important. Smart contracts are important because they can be used in everything from financial tools to logistics to games and experiences, and they're stored on the blockchain like other crypto transactions. Once a smart contract app has been added to the blockchain, it generally can't be reversed or changed, although there are some exceptions. Smart contract-powered apps are often referred to as decentralized apps, or dApps, and they include decentralized finance, or DeFi tech, that aims at the banking industry. There's a big website. It's called Uniswap. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange that allows users via smart contracts to trade certain kinds of crypto without any central authority setting the exchange rates. How do they work? How do smart contracts work? Well, a little history. They were proposed in 1990, and it's compared to a vending machine. Imagine a machine that sells cans of soda for a quarter. If you put $1 into the machine and select the soda, the machine is hardwired to either produce you your drink and 75 cents in change, or if your choice is sold out, to prompt you to make another selection or to give you your $1 back. This is an example of a simple smart contract. Just like soda, just like a soda machine, it can automate a sale without human interaction. Smart contracts can automate virtually any kind of exchange. It's really important because smart contracts are great for when it comes to like NFT creation. I just turned down the music a little bit. For NFT creation and creating an algorithm for it to work. So let's look at what a smart contract looks like. Well, if we go to our second screen here and the Etherscan, we can look at a lot of charts, which I think is dope. Look at this daily ETH burnt. Lots of ETH. Look at all those spikes. But the Etherscan is basically, a list of transactions. So not certain. This is an OpenSea. This is a Uniswap. And I don't know any of these people, but you know what? Look, you can have your name associated with it. So let's click on this person's wallet, assetman.eth. He did it 35 seconds ago. It looks like he transferred or he bought 0.99 ether of something. So let's see what he bought. He bought 1 FT for 1.99, acclimated Mooncats. He bought the token 19842 for 0.99 ETH on OpenSea. So this smart contract hash is right here. I don't understand it, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's like 50 or 60 different letters, numbers, and I don't think they're uppercase. No, they're all lowercase, letters and numbers. And so that's what it's used to put that on the blockchain. So this transaction hash was written for this specific code, right? This specific transaction on the Ethereum blockchain, which can be accessed via Etherscan to look at, and ultimately collected and openly universal. So smart contracts are really cool in my mind. I think to me it's the most exciting part about blockchain technology is being able to prove that you own something really quickly, whether it's NFT art, whether it's a car, whether it's a house, you could do your house. But ultimately being able to do this transaction and be able to go back and look at it. Obviously, the wallet is where everything's held. So if you own something, it's in your wallet. That's why this guy, that's his wallet, right? No, that was OpenSea. No, Monksy.eth. Dang, he's got, and look, you can look at how much balance somebody has. Like this dude has 2.22 ETH. He has 6,000 ETH in his transaction. He's trying to buy something on OpenSea. Let's look what he got. He ended up getting Ascended NFT token. Dang. So you could like literally look at what everybody's doing. You could find like an influencer that you really like, and you can find it. And that's because the smart contracts are all written in their code. I follow someone that I really like. His name is Lucas Bean, and I can look at literally all his transactions. He doesn't have very much. He has no ether right now. He's got $2 worth of ether. 13 days ago, he paid 0.04 for something. He looked like he paid 0.04 to someone or something. So, that's a big question mark too. Is this safe? Like everybody can see your wallet. Well, wallets are like a routing number for your checking account. They're not actually like, you can't get access to the account unless somebody gives you their 12 or 24 word seed phrase. So it's really important you never give that up, right? If you're new in this world, you never give up your seed phrase. And these are just slight examples of smart contracts, but smart contracts is also part of like let's say the Ascended NFT from this to this. So this is their smart contract, I think. Anyway, the point is from would be like the project. The project has their own smart contract, and that project smart contract dictates what happens when a purchase is happening, just like the soda machine. And so if I want to buy something for 0.08 ETH and I don't have enough, it's going to tell me no. If I do have enough, it's going to give me the gas fee. It's going to read what's happening in the gas fee, how much it's going to cost to write this code on the blockchain in perpetuity, forever. That is essentially my definition of a smart contract. It is the way, and it also, I think what's really important is that the smart contract from the minting or the project can be delegated in terms of when someone buys something, where that money goes out. So not only what happens during the transaction, but also after the transaction and they paid the money, where does that money go? What wallets? Where is it living, right? It's got to go somewhere. So it can be dictated on what. It also can dictate utility. Like if you have 5 of an NFT and it's in your wallet, the smart contract can read whether or not that's in that wallet or your 5 of yours is in that wallet, and then give you certain perks based on the past contracts. So based on the past purchases. Again, this is sponsored by White Glove Web3. We'd be happy to help you get your project off the ground. This is a very chill podcast today. Really, really feeling it. Or really feeling the live stream podcast. Yeah, let's get it. So to continue what a smart contract is, it can be built on the Ethereum network, but it can also be built on EOS, Neo, Tezos, Tron, Polkadot, or Algorand. A smart contract can be created and deployed a blockchain by anyone. Their code is transparent and publicly verified, which means that the interested party can see exactly what logic a smart contract follows when receives digital asset. You can copy and paste smart contracts for your projects, if you didn't know that. But I don't know how to do that. On the Ethereum network, each smart contract's code is stored on the blockchain, allowing interested parties to inspect it, like we just did. Each computer on the network or node stores a copy of all existing smart contracts and their current state alongside the blockchain and transaction data. When a smart contract receives funds from a user, its code is executed by all nodes in the network in order to reach consensus about the outcome and resulting in the flow of value. This is what allows smart contracts to securely run without any central authority, even when users are making complex financial transactions with unknown entities. To execute a smart contract on the Ethereum network, you will generally have to pay a fee, gas fee. Once deployed onto the blockchain, a smart contract generally cannot be altered, even by their creator. There are exceptions to the rule. This helps ensure that they can't be censored or shut down. Look, smart contracts are cool, and they're here, and they're the backing of the NFT space. But the utilities, we're thinking very small term right now in terms of the utility. The utility isn't as grown up as I hope it will be one day. Someday, I believe that NFTs and smart contracts will be a part of a lot of other organizations, whether it's a real estate office. I think real estate's going to be huge because you can do deeds and titles without, I have a title now for a boat, and I have to literally go hand him a piece of paper and say, this is your boat now, here's your title. And if you lose a title, you have to go back into the system, into the Department or Bureau of Motor Vehicles here in Indiana and go get that. This seems so antiquated. It's so old. Versus I just own it. It's in my website. It's in my web wallet. It's in my wallet. I'll just give it to you. I'll just transfer you. When you sell it to me, pay me in ETH and I'll sell it to you. It seems so much easier, right? It's less transactional problems and truth is involved at every moment. This has been Joe Melillo with whitegloveweb3.com. And welcome to the stream. The stream is very chill today. I had a really good day today, guys, and I just want to say, if you're watching, thanks for watching. I hope this is helping you determine what you want to do in Web3. Behind me, I always have be still and know. It's important that we all know that there's a higher power out there. I'm going to use my platform for good, no matter what it is, whether it's talking about blockchain technology or if it's helping other people in my sales job. Here's the deal, guys. I really care about you. I'm going to go spend time with my family tonight and not spend so much time on Web3 stuff, although it is very hard not to. You're the best. Until next time, I'll see you later. Let's hit it hard.
Are you listening? Damn.